Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a project share. And I know you're probably looking at this project and you're like, Lily, it's not Christmas. And this is not the project that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This was my inspiration. This was sent to me by my friend Veronica during Christmas time. And you guys, I was just in love. And I never even touched it. I didn't take anything out. But I always wanted to recreate it. And I just never got around to it. And all these months went by and I didn't get around to it. And yesterday I was just going through my stuff and I found it again and I was like, yep, we're going to turn on Netflix and we're going to recreate this little embellishment book. So I'm going to show you guys what she did. Of course, she decorated the front. But it's basically like a little embellishment book that you can take out stuff and use on your projects. So she gave me washi, some wood veneers, sequins. These little stickers are removable as well. And then she gave me some rosettes, and then clips, and then some little ribbons, like little embellishment ribbons, some stickers on the bottom. Here are some tags, and then there's stickers here. And I just thought it was such a good idea that I wanted to recreate. So now on to what I created. This is the one that I created. And of course, you guys know it's girly and my type of colors, because that's just who I am. And it's very springish because of course we're in the spring summer seasons already. So what I did was I decorated it. I used a lot of Maggie Holmes carousel in this book, and I think this is Chasing Dreams. So that's the paper that I used in the back. Of course, I did my little inking technique. You guys know I love that. Some enamel dots, some cute little flowers, and a bunch of layering with doilies. Just because I like the way that looks. I kind of like the way it props up when you kind of layer up the doilies. So actually I'm going to show it down here first and then I'll bring it up. When you open up my book, this is what it looks like, the first page. So we got some wood veneers here and I put some cute little butterflies on it. And then right here I put two of those little file folder embellishments that I made. So everything can be peeled up and used. I put these little metal butterflies right here, which can also be peeled off and used. This right here is just like one of those little pocket sleeves from Target. And then inside, oh, I forgot, I put the little sticky thing. Inside is just a little pack of doilies that they can use. And I wrote doilies right here. This little saying says, "My heart is full." I did the pearl thingy here just with the little tabs, just to make it look like a little book. And then on this one right here, we have a little sequins mix that she can take off. It's a little bag. And then some donut stickers right here. So I wrote right here with some little alphas stickers and sequins. This is just some cute little doodlebug ribbon that I put in the middle just to kind of make it look cute. I made two rosettes, as you can see, which can also be peeled up. And it just says rosette up there. And then the next page is two tags that I made. And then on this one, it just has some ephemera pieces from the Carnival collection. But yeah, you guys, that is how it turned out. And I'm going to bring it up close and bring the focus so that you guys can see a better view. That's the cover. That's the first page. Second page. It's my favorite page. My rosettes. The little ephemera pack. And the tags. Didn't it come out nice, you guys? I feel like I had to sneeze. Oh, I hate that feeling. But yeah, you guys, that's the first one that I made. I did make one that looks like this, and make sure that we're back down. Okay, and this one opens up this way. So, oh, I didn't show you guys on this side of the book. I put these little stones, not stones, gems, just to give it a little something. And in the back I put, of course, my little crafting with litter that Alice gave me. But yeah, you guys, now on to this one. This one is more on the vertical side. So when you open this one up, I did it a little different. So we have 3 of those little embellishment folders little file folders. We have some rosettes here. And then here is just this cute little tag that I put here. And then in here is a little pack of different ephemera. And then on this side is another pocket with some sequins. But in this one I put two little diamond clips. And then in this one I gave two little wood veneer tags. And I put some little twine on the top. I also did the little stones on the tabs. I just feel like I need to go back and like label some stuff. And then the back has this one right here. And this is the one that Shara gave me. So let me bring it up and show you guys how it looks. This is what the cover looks like. Again, tons of layering with the doilies and a flower. It says kill 'em with craftiness. When you open it up, the little file folders. And then the rosettes, of course. And then on this page, it's just this cute little tag that I found in my stash, and I figured why not share it. And then this is just a little bag of ephemera. And then here we have this cute little mix. It just says magic. And then the little diamond clips up there. And then on this one is just the two little wood veneers with their little tags. So I put little twine on them. And yeah, you guys, that's this paper. I think is Cute Girl by Cray Paper. But yeah, you guys, those are the two books that I created, and I am like obsessed with them. I love them so much. I think I want to make more. They don't have any owners as of yet because I do have a long list, so I don't know who they're gonna end up with, but they will end up with someone. But yeah, you guys, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys loved this idea, let me know down below. I love to know what you guys think. But don't forget to hit that bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.